Hello everybody, this video is done solely for the purpose of showing how the budgies, the so-called lovebirds, love to eat the leaves. Just see, you can see now I have put some leaves, that is tulasi and the green leaves. You can see how fast they eat, and within minutes they will complete that. You can see sometimes the video is going blurred, sorry for that. Now it's clear. Just see how my birds are eating so good. See, you can see that. I think I will keep this video for 1 minute and see how it is finished. Total 3 pairs of birds are in this cage, and of course, if I suggest all of you, if you start rearing this lovebirds, start growing these tulasi leaves at home. So see how fast they are eating. Actually they are eating so fast because these 3 pairs have a total of 11 children in their pot, so they feel it easy to feed them with the leaves. That's why they eat a lot. It's a tedious process anyway for us to collect the leaves, but if you keep some plants, some tulasi plants at home, then it will be very okay, very fine for them to eat very well. And you could hear the sound of the baby birds. Okay, you could hear it. That voice is, see how they are feeding their babies. And that voice they produce when they are fed. The babies are being fed by their parents, and they produce this sound, and you can see clearly how it is feeding its babies. See this pot full of birds, baby birds. They are very hungry now, that's why they produce, and when they are feeding they produce a different voice. Like, it's amazing. I will collect another video to show the different sounds of the lovebirds, okay? When they see a predator, when they see the food, when they feel hungry, like that. I think now the pot is almost empty because they are very fast eaters, and they just love that. And I felt it's very economical. Told you guys, I think its video is becoming lengthy. Enjoy.